Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to remove all of your seats, like pretty much how I prepare for my races when I gut my car. I'm not racing today, sadly.
We do not care.
But in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to remove your front seat, rear seats, and all your trunk liner that we can have your car fully gutted if you wanna go race with no interior, just your driver's seat. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, man. I really appreciate y'all so much. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so first things y'all gonna need first, an impact or like a little torque wrench, or like the little socket set right here. And this is the bits for the, what's it called? Brain fart. This is the socket set for the impact. So you're gonna need these tools right here, and you're gonna need these T-bits right here to move your front passenger seat. All right, so what I like to do first is I like to start from the back all the way to the front. So first things first, what you're gonna do, let's get that out of here, is take out this whole trunk liner. You literally just pull it straight out. So there's a little Velcro piece on the back here, but yeah, you're just gonna pull it straight out. So I'm gonna get this out. 1, 2, 3. All right, and there it is. The trunk liner's out. Obviously, take out, I shouldn't say this out. So just remove all this, and then the whole trunk will be gutted. All right, so next up, you might have to move your seats up a little bit, but you gotta pull your back seats down. That I'm gonna show you where the bolts are to take out the top seats, and then you'll like lift this up. It has like a little clip, and you'll lift that up. So I'm gonna move these front seats up, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, so got all the seats pulled up, and you're gonna pull this seat down, and I'm gonna tell you the bit, I forgot what size it was, but this is what you're gonna use to take off your seats, and you're gonna do the same thing on this side. See, I got this side down, so it's those 2 over there, 3, 4, 5 right here, so you're gonna take those out. Okay, so you're gonna use your 19mm socket for the bolts back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out right here. Get those out, get that one loose. This one's about to come out. So you gotta essentially do this for all these right here, and this will be the only 19mm socket you use for the all back here. So I'm gonna take all these out, then I'm gonna show you the whole rear when it's completely gutted. All right, so all the seats are out. So like I said, once you get them off, you literally just pull them and pick them up. So now with the like this, where you sit at, just go here and on the side, and just pull up those clips. And should lift up nice and easy. The whole thing will just come out. You just take this whole thing out. Now, normally what I do second is I take out this bolt right here. This one is very, very, very critical because this is your seat belt right here. Don't do what I did and shred the bolt. I think I have a clip of when I shredded the bolt. Yeah, so this is my second one. So don't do what I did, but I'm gonna show you how to take that one out. Okay, so along with the bolt right here, you're gonna use this star bit. It's like a special one. It's called it's the T50. I use this one and it comes out perfect. Some people say you should use like the ratchet. I use impact, but it's up to y'all. But I'm gonna get it out. But I don't like force it out, because if you do too much with the impact, it'll shred it. And that's what I did my last one, but I think it's the wrong bit size. So I'm gonna get that bolt out and show you what it looks like. So this is what that bolt looks like right here. It's not that bad, but I shredded it like terribly. Like it was bad. I had to get another one from the dealership. And I'm gonna show y'all how to get this 4 bolts on the passenger seat as well that you have to get out. And I'm gonna show you what socket you use for that one. All right, so I see this bolt right here. You're gonna have 4 of those. I'm pretty sure they're 10mm, but let me check real quick.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so they're 10mm, so use on your impact. Just go here, and straight up. It should come right out. So they look like this. So you can repeat that 3 times. 10mm socket for these ones. Even though it has like that weird star bolt pattern, you can still use a 10mm socket. And then once I get all those out, I'm gonna show you what's next. Okay, so now, let me get this flash on. All right, so now when you get all those bolts off, this is your seat like module or whatever, and it'll show like a seatbelt thing on the dash. I'm gonna show you when I start the car. But you're gonna unplug this right here, just click down, and now you can take the whole seat out. All right, and there you go. The whole car is gutted from everything. So you got the passenger seat out. Don't do me too much. I know I gotta vacuum all this up, but the whole car's gutted out. And what I normally do is I take my seat belt that was not just dangling around. I just take the end right here and I close it so like this. So I could just have my seat belt like that. But that's how you completely gut out the whole car. So now I'm just gonna do some test pulls since I haven't drove my car fully gutted a little bit for a while now. Yeah, that sentence made no sense.
Okay.
But I haven't drove my car fully gutted in a while, so I'm gonna go do some pulls. But that'll be it for how to take out all of your seats and liner and all that from your car. So now, let's get that started. But I did decide to bring the GoPro, so I'm gonna put the GoPro on the car. That way I can see about mile an hour. I might do like a 0 to 60 or just do a few rolls, do some pulls to see where I'm at. I'm gonna try to see if I can do like see what like my 30 to like 120 is, just to see where I'm at. So I know it's not that video without that start. I'm gonna turn that traction stability completely off. Yes, sir. Start always go good. Traction sport, stability off. So this is the light I was talking about, because obviously we don't have a passenger seat right here. So this is the light that'll pop up, the airbag system. It's only because the passenger seat isn't there. So I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get to Mexico and let's do some pulls. Also, I want y'all to leave in the comments, I want to get a bigger screen, and I was wondering, would the 8.4, if I go get like an 8.4 screen, or if I get like a screen for like a Hellcat or a Scat, or even like the newer RTs, would it fit? And I keep seeing y'all comment, y'all want me to get paddle shifters and then get the Z Automotive Taser. So I have seen the comments, I have considered it, but I just want a bigger screen before I do that first. So leave in the comments down below if it can fit. Give y'all a little pull right here and drive. Whew, them burbles get loud as shit when the car don't got nothing good on inside. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get over to Mexico. Well, I'm in Mexico, but pick up the camera once I get over to my favorite spot in Mexico. All right, y'all, so I got the GoPro. I'm gonna mount it to the car, and we're gonna do probably like a really hard pull, like a 30 to 120, depending on how much room I have out here in Mexico. So let's see how that goes. So that was a little 30 to 120 around there. It wasn't too bad. I tried to do a burnout, but it kicked me completely sideways. But I was on a hill, obviously. But we're trying like a 40 to 110. Let's see how that goes. Tried to do the burnout again, didn't do the same thing. I'm gonna try to get a good burnout because I feel myself kicking, like spinning just a tad bit. But that 40 to 110 wasn't bad. That was in second gear. And in the video, like in the previous clips, I'm also gonna do like what gear I'm in each time. So I'm gonna put like the gear that I'm in every time you hear the car go. So I'm gonna try to do a dig up here. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna try to do this 30 to 120 again. I'm gonna try to get another burnout in if my car decides to, but let's hop in a GoPro and see how it goes. So that 30 to 120 felt a lot better. So now I'm gonna try like a 50 to 110 and see how that goes. Cause honestly, I'm just out here testing now, getting that seat time to see what rolls I like to do. So let's see how that 50 goes. I think I kind of do like the 50 roll because that one wasn't too bad. That 50, I think it was like the 50 to 110 or something like that, but that one felt real good. And I have 50 in my second gear, which is fucking crazy. So these next two pulls, I'm gonna do a 0 to 60, and then I'm gonna do a 0 to 100. So I don't know. Let's see. I think my 0 to 60 might be like 4 seconds, not a 3-second car. I don't know about that, but let's see how the 0 to 60 goes. That was my 0 to 60. I'm not sure how fast it was since I don't have like the Challenger performance thing, but I'm gonna try to find a way to get the time on there. If I can't put like a little clock on the screen, I'll do like a stopwatch and then I'll input the time that I got. But if I were to guess like a 4 something, front ground, probably like a 4 something if I were to assume, but let's try that 0 to 100. Alright, so there's my 0 to 100. Like I said, don't know the time because I don't have the performance thing, but if I were to guess, I'd say between a 4.5, 4.6 for the 0 to 60 and probably like a 5-second for the 0 to 100.
Cap.
So I'm gonna take the GoPro off and then I'll pick up the camera once I get back to the house. As a matter of fact, on that first place where I did the pull, I'm gonna try to get another pull over there because it's a lot more straight going this way than it is going that way, the way I was going. So I'm gonna try to do another 30 to whatever and see what I get. I'm just doing pulls now just to see where my car sits at because like I said, it's a V6, but that underground too and that trim, especially that trim too, it helps a lot. So after this will be a GoPro clip. Nah, that one was pretty good. That was like a 30 to 125. Like that was pretty good. I had a few cars in front of me I had to let off, but that was fairly quick in my opinion. So I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get back to the crib. All right, y'all, so there y'all have it. That is how you, first off, remove all the seats from your car. And secondly, that is some of the pulls that I did. It was pretty good. I really wonder what my 0 to 60 time is, because a lot of people have been asking me, but I'm gonna try to get a time for y'all and post it on here. So if I do, y'all see it. If y'all want to, put a stopwatch on your laptop or something and time it for me to see how it is. But like I said, y'all, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And I just really appreciate all the love and support that I get from y'all. That'll be the end of today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy 36J, and I'm out. Bow.